Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by registering and verifying quickly. Upload PAN and bank details, and complete KYC in the partner app. Once done, generate your unique referral link and copy the tracking ID. This is the asset you will share. Make sure to set correct payout details so payments route to your account. Don't waste time on extras now. Focus on getting the verified link live so you can test clicks and conversions immediately, because without a verified link, commissions won't track. You pick products with good margins and social appeal, then craft short captions and one strong call to action. Once done, attach your referral link and a clear product image. Test the link on each platform. Make sure to vary formats: Reels for discovery, WhatsApp for direct closes, and blog posts for SEO traffic. Track which channel drives clicks and note conversion rates, because that data tells you where to double down and which creatives to iterate. You finish by reviewing analytics, conversion rate, earnings per click, and top SKUs. Once satisfied, withdraw funds per the partner portal rules and confirm bank credit. Make sure to scale winners with small ad spends and repeat the creative that converts. If things go wrong, like clicks not attributing, clear app cache, test a fresh link, and reshare. If still broken, contact Meesho partner support with order ID. This troubleshooting step solves most tracking problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.